If you want to send personalized email whenever a new form submission happens, then this video is for you. Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In today's video, we are going to learn how to trigger Gmail notification from Ninja form submission. Now imagine you are collecting data with the help of Ninja form and you want to send personalized email to each and everyone who are filling this form. Doing it manually would be a time-consuming and hectic task. That's where Pabbly Connect make a huge difference. Now with the help of Pabbly Connect, whenever a new form submission happen, it is automatically going to send a personalized email. If you want to make this automation for yourself, then let me take you to my screen. Hello and welcome to my screen. As I have told you, we are going to connect Ninja form with Gmail. That means as soon as a new lead is generated on Ninja form, it is automatically going to be sending notification through Gmail to my team members. That means whenever a new lead has been captured on Ninja form, it is going to be received on trigger setup, and from here automatically action setup will send personalized email to my team members without any manual effort. Now if you want to know how this is going to work in real time, and for that I'm going to fill my form, and here I'm going to enter each and every detail like name, email address, phone number, inquiry type, details and time to call. Like this I have filled my form. Now I'm going to submit this form. And here you can see my form is submitted successfully. With that, I have received my response on my trigger setup. Like this, as you can see over here, all the details with the same phone number, name, email address, inquiry type and details. Not only that, a personalized email has been sent to my team members where all of the details, the name of lead, their email address, phone number, inquiry type and best time they can call are mentioned over here. And with that, I have also mentioned please reach out to the customer at the preferable time and assist with their inquiry. So here, if you want to get notified whenever a new lead is generated on Ninja form without any manual effort, then let me guide you further. For that, you need to open new tab and search pabbly.com/connect. As soon as you're going to search this, you will be landed on the Pabbly Connect landing page. Over here, you can easily connect multiple applications and automate your task. Not only that, we have Pabbly community where you can get exclusive access of real-time update, helpful resources and support from both our team and fellow user. Even here you can share your ideas, ask questions and discover latest features for using Pabbly application. If you want to know how to join this community, we have provided a link in the description box. Don't forget to check that out. For now, let's move back to the landing page of Pabbly Connect. Over here, you can see there are two options, sign up for free and sign in. If you are a new user, you can click on sign up for free and get 100 free credit every single month. As I am existing user, I will click on sign in. After signing in, you will be landed on the All Pabbly app page. Over here, you can see there are 7 different applications. As we are working on Pabbly Connect, I will click on Access Now button of Pabbly Connect. After selecting Pabbly Connect, you will be redirected to the dashboard page. Here, you can create and manage all your automation workflow from one place with Pabbly Connect dashboard page. Before creating any workflow, you need to remember few points that are mentioned over here. And after that, to create a workflow, you need to click on create workflow button, which is given over here. By clicking on this button, you can start building your automation workflow, and for that you need to select workflow builder. We have two type of builder, new beta builder and classic, where new beta builder is modern, faster and more flexible. Classic is stable with familiar approach. Today I'm going to use new beta builder to build my workflow, and after that I'm going to provide a meaningful name. As we are making this workflow to get notified whenever a new lead is generated on Ninja, I will name it accordingly as Gmail notification from Ninja form submission. And below that, I'm going to select the folder in which my workflow is going to be stored. Now I'm going to click on create button to create my workflow. And from here, I can set up my workflow by adding trigger and action, where trigger is the initial setup that start the automation and action is the app that perform after the trigger. To set up trigger, I need to click on add trigger option and choose my app. As we want to capture lead from Ninja, I will select my app as Ninja form and select my app event as new form submission. Now after that, I'm going to connect my trigger setup. To connect my trigger setup, I need to paste this webhook URL that is created over here. And to connect my webhook URL, I need to open WordPress. And here you can see I have already logged into my WordPress account. And here you might know that Ninja Form is a plugin of WordPress. So I have already installed Ninja Form over here. I'm just going to open dashboard of Ninja Form. And here I can add new form or create a new form according to my requirement. And as you can see, I have already built a form. I'm just going to open the form and connect it with my trigger setup. Here you can see I have entered all the details that I want to collect from my lead. And to connect your trigger setup, you need to come with me to the email and action setup. And here you can add a new action where I'm going to search my action as webhook. And here I'm going to paste my webhook URL that was created on my trigger setup. I'm just going to copy this webhook URL and paste on my Ninja Form builder. Here you can see I've pasted my remote URL, and after that I'm going to select my method as post, as I want to post this detail on my Gmail. And above that, they are asking us to give the name of action app. As our action app is Gmail, I will name it accordingly. And below that, I need to add the keys that are going to be required data for my form builder. Here I'm going to click on add new and enter my key like this, first name, and I'm going to select first name tag from here. And similarly, I'm going to enter last name, email, phone number, required type, detail, may we contact you, and best time to call. After adding every single detail, I'm going to submit these details and publish my form. And here you can see my form is published. Now I'm going to fill the preview form. And here I'm going to enter every single detail like this, where I have entered first name, last name, email address, phone number, inquiry type, details, they can contact me, and best time to contact. After filling each and every detail, I'm going to submit this form, and my form is submitted. With that, a response has been received on my trigger setup also. Here you can see with the same name, email address, detail, and phone number. Now, as soon as we are done with our trigger setup, we want to send a notification to our team so that they can work on it as soon as possible. For that, I'm going to add an action step. To add an action step, I need to click on add new action step and choose my app. As we want to send email, I'm going to choose my app as Gmail and select my app event from drop down option. Now I'm going to connect my action setup. To connect or update my Gmail connection, I have two options, add new connection and select existing connection. If you already have a connection, you can select the existing connection. For today, I'm going to add a new connection and sign in with Google. Over here, I'm going to provide account access. And here you can see my connection is successfully created. Below that, I need to map every single detail from the previous step so that whenever a new lead or data is collected, it is automatically going to be filled on my action setup without any manual effort. Here I need to provide sender name. After entering sender name, I need to select sender email address, and below that we need to map recipient email address. For that, I'm going to map email address from the previous step that we have captured. Like this, I have mapped my email address, and after that you can add CC and BCC. For now, I'm going to leave it blank, and below that I'm going to enter email subject. This email subject I'm going to enter manually as new custom inquiry, and after that I'm going to enter email content manually. Like this, where I have mentioned, hi team, you have received a new inquiry from your website, and where they have mentioned name, email address, phone number, inquiry type, best time to call, and may we contact or not. So in all of these places, I'm going to map the detail from previous step like name. After that, I'm going to map the email address. Now I'm going to map phone number. After that, I'm going to map inquiry type with detail. Below that, I'm going to map best time to call. Like they have filled their best time to call is morning, I have mapped accordingly. Lastly, I'm going to map may we contact or not, where they have selected checked. Now here you can see I have mapped each and every detail from the previous step. These details are variable and it is going to be personalized as soon as a new lead is submitted. Now I'm going to select my contact type as plain, label as inbox, and after that I'm going to save and send all of this detail so that I can receive the response. As you can see, I have received my response with no error, and with that I have got a personalized email where they have mentioned their subject as new custom inquiry and their content as, "Hi team, you have received a new inquiry from your website, name, new account, email address, new account @pabblytudes.com with their phone number, inquiry time and best time to call." With that they have mentioned, please reach out the customer at the preferable time and assist with the inquiry. So yes, with that we are done with this setup where we have received a personalized email whenever a new form is submitted on Ninja form. Not only that, I have provided this workflow in the description box, and if you have any doubt, you can tell us in the comment section below. Not only that, you can create many more automation using Pabbly Connect. For any doubt, you can contact us on support@pabbly.com. For any query, you can write us on forum.pabbly.com, and for pricing detail, you can visit this website. Now go and create your free automation using Pabbly Connect. I will see you in my next video. Till then, thank you for watching.